Hello travelers, coming to you from Key Largo in Florida at the Waterside Suites and Marina. So what you see here is the Marina Park. Beautiful place to come, park your boat and stay on the land. So I'm going to give you a tour of the outside here and we'll show you our room, where Jeremy will show you the downstairs, and then I will come back to show you the upstairs. So, first, if you want to add kayaks and jet skis here. There's actually a company on site where you can rent these kayaks and jet skis. They have life jackets for your safety, and they have other excursions you can go on. What we're doing now is walking underneath the building. So this is all the parking, and you can actually park underneath the building. It's very cool. And then all of the living is actually up top. And then this little beautiful building is where you can rent those jet skis and kayaks and book your excursions. So let's go show you the room.
Home here at Waterside Suites and Marina. As you can see, all the living is on the second and third floor, meaning it is not handicap accessible. They have 20 units, all very similar, spread out over 2 buildings, and the office sits right in the middle.
And we are going to room 104.
104, mi casa. I love this space. Do we have more light? We have more light. There we go.
Nope, that one doesn't like you.
Okay, anyway, hope y'all can see me.
Yes.
This is the entryway / living room in our 2-story accommodation. What we have is a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath suite here at the Oceanside.
Waterside Suites and Marina.
Suites and Marina. Sorry, I've been here for 3 days and I have no idea where I am.
We've got tropical brain.
We're on island time. So if you want to pan around here, you can see we have some very comfortable seating, very cool decorative lamps. We've got a little bit of art on the wall. The blinds are very cool, open or closed on all the windows. My favorite piece of entertainment when we travel. We don't watch TV at home much, so to be able to sit down and take in some pointless entertainment, one of my Here we have a wee bitty closet. We got an extra blanket in there that's actually up on the bed already. A couple extra pillows, ironing board, a couple of hangers. Make yourselves at home. Important. I like it a balmy 62 degrees, but Miss Amanda will not
Live.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah,
she would be an ice cube.
She would be an ice cube at 62 degrees. All right, so moving through this door, we have the half bath, toilet, sink, mirror.
Can we point out the mirror real quick? I just want to say, it has this really cool natural light function. So if you want to see, make sure you did your makeup properly for this, that light.
Or if you just need to go completely blind for several seconds. And continuing on through, This is the hot water heater slash table with seating for two. Some more wall here. We have a 2-burner electric range, an absolutely enormous microwave. You could cook a turkey in.
Oh no! Oh, here we go. We're back.
And we're back. As I was saying, back. Microwave big enough to cook. All the utensils that you're going to need to spend as many days as you would like here. Sink with garbage disposal. Grab claws. Don't do that. You can see we have a lot of beverages here. Favorite parts. The balcony. We actually had you out there on Friday when we first got here. Let's take you back. So you can see, again, seating for two, little table. We are on the 2nd floor, and right across the way, Sharky's Bar and Restaurant. We walked over there last night, had a beverage, and checked out the scene. It's a very cool vibe. It was very busy, so we didn't stay real long. I recommend Sharky's when you're in Key Largo. So that's the downstairs, folks. So I'm going to take back over the camera. We'll walk upstairs, and Amanda will show you around up there. Here, turn around. There you go. Woo! You can close the door for complete privacy. Or you can leave it open.
So welcome to the bedroom. Full king-size bed. Don't judge my bed making skills.
Yeah, we really should have done this video when we first got here, when it was professionally made.
One of the features I love about the bedroom is their sockets actually have USB ports, so it makes it easy for phone charging. You don't need to remember a block. Just plug right in. We've got convenient lamps on each side. Just like the downstairs, everything's beautifully decorated, really chic and clean, neutral colors, beautiful lamp for your luggage while you're here. And then, oh, of course, we have this beautiful sitting area and more of these amazing blinds. I really think that the louvered blinds are beautiful. And then another cool feature is this barn door they have for the bathroom. Just slides open. So here is the full bathroom. We have this gorgeous shower. Can't beat a stone shower.
And the shower head has awesome pressure.
Yeah, it really does. And these gorgeous sliding glass doors. Makes for a smooth showering experience. And then we also have another one of these amazing natural light mirrors. Very convenient, very considerate too. And then we have a dryer, nice storage space underneath, and they have the conservation flusher, so they have the 1-drop, 2-drop, and we've shown you everything.
Not everything.
Really? Did I forget something?
Well, no, we showed him the whole room.
Oh. Alright, well, why don't you get in here with me and we'll say goodbye.
And there we are together again.
Oh, my hair's doing all kinds of crazy saltwater things.
It's gorgeous.
Alright, well, thanks for joining us, travelers. We will keep you updated. We have another full, amazing day tomorrow. I'm so excited.
Tomorrow is maybe the one day that I've been looking forward to the most on this trip. Tell them what we're doing, honey.
I'm going to try and fix this real quick.
It's not a mirror.
Tomorrow, we're going to go to Little Palm Key Resort. This place is going to blow your mind.
Very exclusive.
And you can only get there by boat or seaplane.
Private island.
Yeah, the whole resort has its own island.
No televisions.
Exactly. No Wi-Fi.
No internet of any kind.
If you just want to relax, that's where you want to go.
Totally. So we're going to go for a little boat ride in the morning. Check that out. Check back in with you. And tomorrow is our last full day that we'll be spending. I'm not looking forward to going home, but I'm not looking past what we have in front of us.
Yeah. It's going to be great.
It's going to be incredible.
So stay tuned. We have a lot more to show you.
So until next time, see you later.